these are actually my favorite design shoe of 2025. Now, that might be a hot take, and I'm not talking about us runners, I'm talking everything. This is my shoe of the year for 2025. So we'll start off with an unboxing of the shoe. I think the Satisfy box is very, very cool. And it makes spending this much money on products a little bit more worth it. These are very expensive shoes, but we have the size label. I got these in a size 10. All around the side of the box, it has the design specifications, technology, and that design language translates also inside the shoebox itself. So we'll take a look. I'll unbox it this way. We'll go into like the side component first and the extras you get with the shoe. We have a interesting dust bag for them. They're like these little shoe booties, Patrick Bateman, forensic investigator sort of beat on these things, but these are essentially your dust covers and a sticker sheet. When's the last time you've seen shoes have a sticker sheet? For me, this is the first time, but got these from Kayo, Sweden. They were just happened to be cheap. Shipping was great. They came here super fast. And here we are. Amazing. I know, right? These are the Satisfy Rockers in the Grenoble Green UTMB exclusive color. Now, they were formerly a UTMB exclusive. Now, many different shops have them. But when I saw this color, I thought I had to get these. I was already a big fan of the Rocker silhouette. Looks like some soccer/football boots. If any of you guys had the T90 Laser 4s back in the day, gives me the similar type of vibe with the shape and the asymmetrical lacing. Starting with the top, this Rippy 66. It's kind of like a meshy sort of upper, TPU upper, in this Grenoble green color. And with the midsole, they call it the forrey foam. It's an EVA PIBA blend. Seems pretty soft and squishy. And on the bottom, we have a tuned lug outsole Vibram Mega Grip. Inspired by an RC car, apparently. The laces themselves, also very cool. They have this sort of sawtooth lacing, which is great. Now they won't come untied. And the tongue is this nice perforated mesh. And really it does have the similar shape as a Predator T90 Laser soccer cleat. Back, you got some padding around the heel, this nice suede, which is good quality, and this really weak looking hang tab, which looks like it will snap off like very, very soon. I was looking for sort of an excuse to buy them because I think they retail in Canada about $400. Thankfully, through Kayo, through self-clearing at customs, I was able to get these a little bit cheaper. This green color, I don't know what it is about it. It looks very mountainy. I'm not a mountainy person, but it looks quite mountainy. So I'm excited to get these shoes and wear them a lot. Like, I'm not a trail runner by any means, but I think the design language of this shoe is very unique and very, very cool. My use case for these shoes is probably going to be more of a casual one, but aesthetics wise, these are actually my favorite design shoe of 2025. Now, that might be a hot take, and I'm not talking about us runners, I'm talking everything. This is my shoe of the year for 2025. I just think the material choice, the unboxing experience, which you just saw, this colorway, looks like I'm going hiking. I could be going bouldering. I don't go bouldering or hiking, but if I did pull up with these on the trail, they'd be looking pretty good. Now, in terms of what to wear these with, Ryan, they're green shoes. Well, I tried them on with pairs of sweatpants. They look great. Any sort of pants with my denim, I think that's another reason why I bought this color particularly. I think it matches, maybe not matches, but it looks really good with indigo jeans. And also shorts, obviously, you can wear them as, but they look so sick. That mud guard, everything about them, fantastic. Sizing wise, I picked these up in a size 10. I'm normally a size 10. I like to get around size 10 in my running shoes, a little bit bigger than normal. They fit pretty good overall. Apparently their toe box is an E width, so it's the wider width toe box, and the back of the shoe is more your standard D width. I would agree with that statement. Like, the lots of room in the forefoot of the shoe, which makes things a little bit more comfortable. You want to get your toes to breathe in these. So yeah, there's my quick unboxing and review of the Satisfy Rocker in the Grenoble Green colorway. Very clean shoe. You know, Satisfy the Rocker Grenoble Green, the best shoe of 2025. You heard it here first. Put it on the Complex sneakers list. I'm very excited to finally pick these up. Thanks so much for watching. I'll put a review of these in the future if I actually start trail running in them. And you know what? I'll do a follow-up review of these maybe after I've worn them for a little while, just so you can see the wear of them and how they've held up durability-wise over time. So stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section down below. I'm Ryan. These are the Satisfy Rockers. Goodbye.